Thursdays kasi is devoted yan for committee hearings ng mga senators, no, in a different committee. So medyo mahigpit yung kanilang schedule, kaya I agree, no, with the suggestion of Tita Lorna na gawing siguro sa hapon, no? Morning yung legislative work and then 3 p.m. 1 to sawa, ika nga, doon na natin talakayin itong impeachment. Dahil equally important din naman itong usaping ito, gagaya ng ginagawang legislation ng ating mga senador at ating mga kongresista. If and when they want to extend a little bit more and become patriotic, ika nga, no, magdagdag ng Friday. Yung Friday, libre yung araw na yun. Pwede namang gawing for trial lang, the whole day kung gusto nila. No? Para yung Thursday, gawin lang nila for committee hearings, and then Friday, pwede na siguro silang mag-impeachment dyan. Yun ang, I think, if we want to finish this as early as possible, siguro, para hindi tayo abutin ng Pasko, siguro magdagdag ng isang araw.